Hello, in this video I will show you how to add Solana Network to MetaMask. Now it's an extremely easy process. Just simply open your MetaMask, so click on this option, then click on the network option and click on add network. Now wait for a few seconds. Now right over here, click on these three dots and click on snaps. Now if you don't have any snaps, click on discover snaps. And right over here you should find your Solana. So it should be right over here. Click on this option. Then click on add to MetaMask. Now a bunch of pop-ups will appear, so be patient and accept all of them. So firstly click on this arrow, click on accept, then click on connect. Now wait for a few seconds. Once that is done, click on confirm again. Click on this install option, click on confirm. Now wait for a few seconds again, click on OK. Then click on this link right over here. Once you will do that, click on get started. Now wait for a few seconds and a pop-up will appear. Again, right over here. Just simply wait for a few seconds and click on connect. And just like that, you have connected your MetaMask wallet to your Solana wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.